All right, so it says you work 20 hours a week at a store and earn $9.25 per hour. You also work as a background actor for $12 per hour and can work as many hours as you want. Ooh, they have really good food sometimes. You want to earn a total of $400 per week. How many hours must you work as a background actor? Okay, so we want to earn a total of $400 per week, right? So our total earnings, our total per week, it's going to be 400. Now total means we're going to be adding things together. Now what are we going to be adding? We're going to be adding what we make from the background acting and also from the store. Okay. Now from the store, they tell us that we work 20 hours. It's going to be the hours and wage. Okay. So they told us that we make $9.25 per hour. So it's going to be times, and how many hours? 20 hours. That's a given set. That's all we can do. Okay. No more nor less. And the background acting, they tell us that our wage is $12 per hour. Now per hour, so it's going to be times the number of hours to get the total cost, or total earnings. And the hours, yeah, this one we don't know. They don't tell us, right? So when we don't know, we're going to give it a variable. Let's let it be h for hours. And there we go. So let's find $9.25 times 20 first. All right. So using off the top of my head, that's going to be $185. I did that without a calculator. Just kidding. All right. Plus 12 and h. So times h. I'm just going to put 12h equals 400. Hey, it's a two-step equation. So what we do is we want to solve for h. That means we want to get rid of that plus 185 and the times 12. So let's get rid of that plus 185 first. So opposite of adding 185 is subtracting 185. All right, these cancel out. Bring the 12h down, equals, and this is not 400 minus 200 would be 200, so this is going to be a little bit more than 200, so 200, and then 100 minus 85 is going to be 100 minus 80 is going to give us 20, but it's more than 80, so it's going to be 10, and then 10 minus 5 is going to give us 5. If that made no sense, then use a calculator. All right, and now we're going to divide by, opposite of multiplying by 12 is dividing by 12. So we divide both sides by 12. And remember that fraction bar stands for division. So h equals, and then 12 goes into 215. So we need to make at least $215 from background acting. Divided by 12 equals 17.9. Now, can you work 0.9 hours? I'm not sure if they're going to count that. So they're probably just going to round it up. So it's about 17.9 hours. And that's going to be estimated to, okay, we want to round up because we want to make it a nice whole number. That's going to give us 18 hours. All right. Yeah, always round up for these, because you can't, if you work 17 hours, then you're not going to make that $400 per week. Okay. You need to work at least 17.9.